How to set Instagram live on your mobile phone devices. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply set or schedule Instagram live. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, open up the Play Store application on your mobile phone devices and search for the Instagram application. Once you open up, and make sure that it's updated, and if it's not, just do it because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of this application. Secondly, if you're an user rather than Android, just like a Symbian or an Apple user, make sure you do it as well, and this thing same applies because you have to do that. Without wasting any more minutes or seconds, just move towards the main course. So open up the Instagram application. Once you do that, this is kind of a page that would appear up. Go into your profile by tapping at the profile icon at the right bottom corner of your screen. Then just tap on create a post. Once you tap on it, a dialog box appears stating create from the bottom of the screen. So you just tap live on it. Once you tap live on it, you see there are several options on your screen appearing at your left side, out of which you're gonna go and tap on the calendar one, which is basically for scheduling as suggested. So once you come over this page that says live video, there's a video title. So you'll write something down if you want to, and if you don't want to, it's quite all right. So you just have to say write any of the video title if you want. So I'm writing one. I'm done with it mostly. Now you have to set your time or schedule a time at which time you will be live on your Instagram. So I'll suggestfully or I'll hopefully for some time, and once I do that, I'm good to go, and then I can tap on schedule live video, and it would be scheduled live on my Instagram, and the or the scheduled live would be set up. This is how you set a scheduled live Instagram. And I hope this video was informative, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the video. And if you guys still have any query or question, just comment down below. I'd love to answer that. Till next time, peace.